Oh man, the way that the market has been going lately, I could really use some help from some of these free stocks that I've been sitting on within the Robinhood app. I'm sure you guys know all about the market conditions right now, but it has been absolutely crazy. We've been seeing these huge drops, 3% with 3% swings back, uptrends the next day. You never really know what's going to happen on the market nowadays. You just need to be on your toes and ready to take advantage of some of those dips. In times like this, you're really competing against the market. And if you look at how the Dow Jones Industrial Average has been performing, we're looking at 11.65% drop over the past month. Now, if you take a look in my Robinhood portfolio, we're looking at a 6.72% drop. So I am totally beating the market and I'm so comfortable with that. I'm very happy that that's the way it's been going for me. And listen, that's the exact mindset that you need to have, because if you're anything like me, if you are a long-term dividend investor, none of these prices right now matter. It doesn't matter where the market is today. It only matters where it's going to be in the way off future. So hey, the stock market is down over 11% this past month, but that doesn't stop me from buying anything. If anything, it encourages me to buy more because I can just drive my costs down for each of the stocks that I do own. And that way, when the market starts to turn around, it goes back up, I'm able to profit much quicker and make a lot more money doing so. But to combat how the market has been performing and to try and flip my portfolio a little bit right now, what I'm going to be doing is I've stockpiled around 13 free shares that I've received from you guys using my referral code, signing up for the Robinhood app. I'm very grateful that you've chose to do that using my code. What that does is it gives you a free share and it gives me a free share as well. And I love to open them on camera for you guys to see exactly what stocks that I'm getting out of it. Now, before I open them, just so you guys can understand how they work, you can get up to $500 from free stocks that you get from your referral code. So if you are giving your referral code out to a bunch of different people, they all decide to sign up, you're going to be capped, maxed out at $500. And what I learned this year is that it does affect the way that you report your taxes. Since you're still making money, it's basically money that you're getting for free. So I had to file my taxes a little bit differently. It was a little bit confusing to me at first, but it's very easy because Robinhood actually links up with a ton of different tax programs out there. So it doesn't make it too hard for you to figure out what you need to be doing. Now, the value of the stocks that you do receive can be anywhere in between $2.50 and $200. So hopefully I'm going to get one of those $200 stocks today. You can get companies like Berkshire Hathaway, you can get Microsoft, there's Ford, GE, there's a bunch of different ones out there. So it'll be interesting to see exactly which ones I get in this video here today. Just so you guys are aware, all of the stocks that I do receive, most of them I honestly don't have any idea what these companies are. I haven't looked into them before. And so for that reason, what I do is when I receive these stocks, you have to wait 3 days before you can actually sell them. But after that 3-day period, I pretty much just sell these right away and start investing the money from that into other companies that I really do like, the ones that I really want to be invested in for the long term. So in full transparency, if you guys do watch along with the Robinhood challenge, if you don't know what that is, I invest $100 every single week into the stock market. I share with you my tips, my insight, why I make the moves. I just get you in my own mindset so you can understand why I'm investing the way that I'm investing. So if you are following along with that challenge, basically all the money that I do receive from these free shares goes into that challenge as well. So just so you know exactly what's happening, it's not like I'm selling these, taking it out. It kind of counts towards the challenge for me as well. But I don't think I'm anywhere close to that $500 mark right now. So it hasn't really made a huge impact on my portfolio quite yet. But every single little dollar amount that I can get from this, it really does help add up. So I'm very much appreciative of all the shares that I've acquired from everybody using my referral code. Just so you know, when I move forward, if I ever do hit that $500 mark, what I would love to be able to do for members that are subscribed to the channel, members of the community, is be able to share their referral code instead of just using mine, because I'm using mine, I'm getting the benefit of it. But once I hit that $500 mark, it's really going to have no value to me after that. People can still sign up using my code, but I'm not going to get any money. Obviously, they're going to get the stocks from it. So what I would like to do is after I hit that mark, I'd definitely like to share other members of the community, other subscribers on my channel. I'd love to share their code so they're able to get some of the exposure that they need in order to get other people signing up using their code. So in the future, if I do hit that mark, I will let you guys know firsthand. So make sure you're subscribed. And if I do hit that $500 mark, I'll probably have a little challenge to figure out whose code I'm going to use, and it might even rotate. I don't know how it'll exactly work. So stick around if you want to get some of that free money, some of that free exposure through some of my YouTube videos. Anyways, I'm done talking about all that stuff. Let's just hop right into the Robinhood app so I can start opening these free shares. Like I said, I believe I have 13 of them, so let's just jump in. Always starting off with the ones on the left. I'm not gonna say too much about these because I really don't know a lot about these companies, so let's just scratch this one off. I always have this problem, my phone never responds right. Corbus Pharmaceuticals, I've gotten this one before. It's worth $4.53. So that's a pretty good one right there. I'm gonna go ahead, this one's from Michael. Michael, thank you for using the referral code. I'm gonna go middle and scratch it off now. Let's see. Ooh, GameStop. I haven't seen that stock in a while. $3.92. You'll probably see a lot of these are valued under $10. I'd be surprised if I get many over $10, but I would love to see, you know, Microsoft, Facebook, one of these big ones come in would be so nice. I would be so appreciative of that. Not that I'm not appreciative of these little ones that are coming in. Every single dollar does add up, like I said before. So here we go. Amneal Pharmaceuticals. There's a ton of pharmaceutical companies that I've been getting from these free stocks, and I'm not really sure why. It's mainly pharmaceutical companies that I've been getting, but let me know, do you guys typically get pharmaceutical companies, or are you getting stocks from other industries? I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that name, but thank you for the stock. I would definitely butcher the name. Here we go. Another Amneal Pharmaceuticals, $3.46. Let's go ahead and open this one from Benjamin. I'm gonna go with the middle here, and I'll start scratching from here, switch it up a little bit. Another GameStop. So yeah, a lot of these are gonna be repetitive, but money is money. So let me know, what has been the best stock that you were ever able to get from a referral code? I definitely would be interested. I have heard of those people who have gotten like $182 worth of one stock, which is super cool, but for me, it's mainly these very, very little ones as you've been seeing so far. So this stock comes in from Ryan. Ryan, thank you very much. Let's go on the left-hand side, scratch it off. Sorrento Therapeutics, $2.21. So online it says the stocks are anywhere from $2.50 to $200. So this one's worth $2.21. I don't know, Robinhood, what are you up to? All right, Joey. Joey, thank you for using my code here. Let's go middle, start right here. Orchard Island Capital, I think this is a little bit more. Yeah, $5.92. So that's awesome for the portfolio, a nice little addition there. I'm excited to start selling these. Here we go, Jonah. This one is from Jonah. Let's see what we got. Another GameStop. It is pretty exciting. I actually love opening these every single time because it is like a scratch ticket, and that's really cool. Any aspect you can gamify some of this stock stuff, you're gonna get more people interested in it. So if you're a new user and you see stuff like this, I mean, this is really, really cool. So a lot of people will wanna be able to take advantage of a program like this, get those free stocks, and have the exciting feature of, you know, opening it up and unveiling it before your eyes. All right, here we go. Plug Power, I got them a couple videos ago, and wow, I don't know how many I have left here, but this one I believe is Naomi is how you pronounce that. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna hit skip in the top right. I'm gonna see what this does. And I got Corbus Pharmaceuticals. I was hoping that maybe I cracked the code for Robinhood there and I was gonna get something much more of value, but $5, I'm not gonna complain. Here we go, Jeremiah. Let's do the left-hand side again. I love the lefties. Here we go. Corbus Pharmaceuticals, and I have to scratch it a little bit more for it to appear. So that's cool, $4.53. This one's coming from Levi. So Levi, I'm gonna try something else here. I'm gonna start, do a little peek right here. Catalyst, oh, I thought I could hit skip in the top left, but it disappears as you start scratching it. All right. And this one is coming from Alberto. Alberto, come on. Microsoft, I'm feeling it. Let's do a little pattern here and start with the nose. Another Corbus. I think that's my most popular one. GameStop was coming up a lot. Corbus, I've been getting in previous videos as well. So that was pretty much it. You can see I got all those stocks right here. I can finally clear this section out. I've been looking at it and just holding on, basically just trying not to press that section, because if you do, pops it up, it prompts you to start opening those stocks. So from that little opening right there, 13 stocks down, I added $53.21 total to my portfolio. So like I said, in about 3 days, I'll be selling those shares, buying into companies that I actually really want to invest my money into. But for the most part, I mean, $53.21, that is really, really great. So I do have to wait 3 days to sell these stocks, but that might not be a terrible thing with the way that the market has been going. A lot of these could bounce back in price. There were some that I was opening from other videos that when I had first received them, I got them around $5.50. And the way that the market has been going, they're down to like $4 right now. So a lot of these could bounce back and I could get just a little bit more extra money on top of that. So hopefully in the next 3 days, these go back up and I'm able to get a little bit more out of them. But honestly, I'm not too worried about it. I mean, $53 in the long run isn't going to do a whole lot to my portfolio. Now, just a quick note for those of you who are subscribed to the channel already and you are expecting that Robinhood challenge video to come out on Monday, I'm actually going to be in Florida. I have a little vacation planned, so it's a little scary to travel right now during all this crisis going on, but what I plan to do is just be extra cautious, you know, scrub up my hands all the time, make sure that I'm not touching my face or doing any of that stuff. But so you won't be seeing a Robinhood challenge video on Monday. It'll probably be a different video that I scheduled to go out. And then on top of that, you'll see it later, maybe on Wednesday. That's actually when I'm flying back in, so I might be able to pop one out that night. So definitely stay tuned for all of that stuff. I really do appreciate you guys checking out this video. The amount of support you guys have been giving me on this YouTube channel has been great as well. I do really appreciate it. If you're new and you like investing and you like using the Robinhood app, then definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button on this video. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. I can't express that enough. And then also guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you have a great day.